And then another.
Ring. Ring. Aren't you going to pick it up?
No, I'm not going to pick it up on the first few rings. I'm busy. Maybe I'm in the other room.
Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Ring. Oh, come on!
Oh, is this thing on? Attention restaurant customers. Testicles. That is all.
Is that my phone?
I'd love to stay and chat, but you're a total bitch.
I don't know how to tell you this, Mr. Devaney, so I'll let these guys do it.
You have AIDS.
Yes, you have AIDS.
I hate to tell you, boy, that you have AIDS.
You got the AIDS.
You may have caught it when you stuck that filthy needle in here.
Or maybe all that unprotected sex put you here.
It isn't clear, but what we're certain of is you have AIDS.
Yes, you have AIDS.
Not HIV, but full-blown AIDS.
Giggity, 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 let's have sex.
Ring.
Oh, is this thing on? Attention restaurant.
Is that my phone?
I'd love to stay and chat, but you're a total bitch.
I don't know how to tell you this, Mr. Devaney.
Giggity, 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 let's have sex.